How do you identify which RAM is the developer, which RAM is the product owner? How do you identify? It may be just because of employee ID, right? That's the unique value that identifies the employee. So similarly, in case of the Jira, there are smart values. That smart values are assigned for creator, reporter, or there are plenty of fields to work. So using smart values and JQL, you can again dynamically configure your Jira automation so that the provided framework or the already provided Jira automation can be again turned into advanced automation. So we'll learn that in later. So another one is built-in automation tools. So it's like there are tonnai छ के automation अहिले जिरामा गएर हेर्यो भने there are plenty of templates created. Simply what you have to do is according to your need, you have to change the trigger or you have to change the condition or you have to change the action. त्यहाँनिर अलरेडी के हुन सक्छ भने बग क्रिएट गर्दाखेरि इमेल गर्नु भनेर एउटा टेम्प्लेट हुन सक्छ, तर what you have to do is कसलाई इमेल गर्ने, CEO लाई इमेल गर्ने हो कि स्क्रम मास्टरलाई इमेल गर्ने, त्यो त तपाईले डिफाइन गर्नु पर्यो। सो यदि कसैलाई लागिरहेछ कि हैन मलाई सुरुमै स्क्रैचबाट त्यो अटोमेसनको के रे रुल लेख्न आइरहेको छैन भनेपछि डोन्ट वरी, डोन्ट प्यानिक, देयर आर plenty of automation rules. I'll let you know later. So let's jump